Good Sunday, everyone. Looking at the weather map for today, we see lots of unsettled weather across the southeast U.S. Just some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Now, if you get just northeast of here in western Virginia, western Maryland, they're dealing with some freezing rain this morning. It's not an ice storm, but it's enough to make for some very slick roadways and some very slick sidewalks. So they're slipping and sliding up there this morning. If you look farther to the west, you see a big storm system barreling into the west coast once again, bringing very heavy mountain snows and heavy valley rains. That's that red outlined area there. That's a flash flood risk. I noticed some of the mountain ranges had a forecast for 3 to 6 feet of snow by Monday evening. Looking at our 5-day forecast, we see showers today. Those are mainly for the southern half of Cumberland County. If you live across northern Cumberland County and all of Fentress County, you're just looking at a risk for an isolated shower or sprinkle. Tonight, mostly cloudy, and then Monday we should see some sunshine, highs in the mid to upper 40s. More clouds kind of hanging around on Tuesday, and there will be more clouds hanging around on Wednesday as well, but they look dry at this point. The winds will be increasing on Wednesday, becoming downright gusty Wednesday night on into Thursday with our next big storm system. That storm system will bring showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. Some of those storms might be strong. I'll keep a close eye on that. Highs in the mid-50s. Notice the mild air. If you look on the right-hand side of there, our normal high is 44, normal low is 27. So we're doing good this week for staying mild. Thursday night, it will start turning cooler. 50% chance of showers, lows dropping down to around 40. This is accumulated rainfall over the past 24 hours. You'll notice, farther to our southwest, folks got rain across Mississippi, but then it kind of banded and kind of stayed to our south here in Tennessee, mostly southern middle Tennessee, southern east Tennessee. So unfortunately, many of us kind of got missed out on this dose of rainfall. Some of you all in southern Cumberland County getting some rain this morning and even some thunderstorms. But those of us in northern Cumberland County and much of Fentress County getting just very low amounts of rainfall from this system. On this day in 1886, one of the worst cold outbreaks in Middle Tennessee history. It came with a little over 3.5 inches of snow for Nashville, but dropping from 35 degrees to -8. I used to read these and we would be in awe, but now we know, yeah, that's what Christmas was like around here. But anyway, for 5 consecutive mornings. So this was a longer duration Arctic blast than the one we had over Christmas. So very cold. 1973, a severe ice storm struck Atlanta, Georgia. The city was absolutely paralyzed. 1 to 4 inches of ice coated northern Georgia. That is just absolutely unbelievable. The big ice storm we had here a few years ago was about an inch and a half of ice at most. So can you imagine up to 4 inches? That would be absolutely unreal. So we certainly don't want to deal with anything like that around here anytime soon or ever, right? Well, you folks have a wonderful Sunday and keep looking for even more weather information. Just keep reading along in the blog, meteorologistmark.com.